In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a suspended Google Ads account by addressing any suspicious payments issues you might encounter. If your Google Ads account has been suspended, it can be quite a frustrating experience, especially if you rely on it for business or revenue generation. Thankfully, there are steps you can take to sort this out, and I'll be guiding you through them. So let's walk through the process together. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can find this by simply typing in Google Ads in your search bar, and it should be the first result. Upon arriving on the Google Ads page, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account credentials to log in. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. Now that you're on the home dashboard, the next step is to check the billing section. This is essential because payment issues often contribute to account suspensions. So what you'll want to do is click on the billing tab at the top of the page. This will bring up a series of options related to your account's financial settings. The next focus area will be going into payment methods. This is crucial because validating and correcting any irregularities or errors here can potentially resolve issues automatically. Click on payment methods and you'll need to go through the list of payment options you have on file with Google Ads. Check for any expired payment methods or discrepancies that might trigger suspicion. If you find any expired cards or incorrect details, update them accordingly. Once you've managed your payment methods and ensured all details are accurate and up to date, the next course of action is to look into advertiser verification. Advertiser verification helps Google identify advertisers and confirm their legitimacy, which is a crucial step when resolving account suspensions. Find the Advertiser Verification tab, click on it and provide any required documents or information. This could involve submitting business information, verifying identity, or answering specific questions to confirm your legitimacy as an advertiser. By carefully following these steps, you should be well on your way to rectifying a suspension due to suspicious payments. Remember to keep your payment methods current and accurate, and ensure your identity and business are verified promptly by Google. It might also help to periodically check your account for any alerts or messages from Google Ads for proactive maintenance. Should you experience further issues, consider reaching out to Google Ads support for personalized assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you get back to advertising smoothly.